Voge introduces a versatile motorbike called the 300 Rally. With the 300 Rally, Voge offers a motorcycle designed and manufactured for versatile use in the pure tradition of the trails marketed in the 70s and 80s. A very attractive motorbike that combines shape and color with elegance and craftsmanship. Whether facing tricky urban commutes or adventures on rough and tough tracks, the factory wants to satisfy everyone who needs such a motorbike. With twin halogen headlights that follow the contour of the fairing, high fenders, KYB suspension with 240mm travel front and rear and mixed terrain tires, the Voge 300 Rally has the adventurous look of a legendary trail bike from the 1980s. Double halogen optics that follow the contour of the fairing, a smoked screen, an inverted fork with a travel length of 41mm and mixed tires bring extraordinary aesthetic power to the front of the motorcycle. The backlit LCD display is easy to read and displays the selected equipment in addition to all the standard information. A USB port on the dash powers your GPS or smartphone. As for the cycle and engine, the 300 Rally has a new multi-tubular frame developed specifically for the characteristics of this motorcycle. It also has enduro-type footrests, protective shoes, as well as a crankcase protector. The tubular frame was developed specifically for the 300 Rally. Plus handguards, enduro footrests, luggage carrier, sump and drop protection as well as removable ABS, 2 piston calipers for the front and 1 piston for the rear. And you know you're dealing with a multi-purpose bike. The trail spoke rims, measuring 21 inches at the front and 18 inches at the rear, are equipped with tires that handle both asphalt and dirt well. The 300 Rally is an excellent choice for those with an A2 license, but also for anyone who wants to have a second motorbike for urban or rural use.